Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle. Today we are diving deep into the Mercedes-AMG G63, an SUV that blends military heritage with modern-day luxury and insane performance. It's an icon on wheels, and today, we're diving deep into everything that makes the G63 a beast on and off the road. Let's get started. The G-Wagon is instantly recognizable, and for Mercedes has refined its design while staying true to its roots. The signature Panamericano AMG grille, bold LED headlights, and flared wheel arches scream presence. You get massive 22-inch AMG wheels, and the squared-off body retains its rugged yet luxurious appeal. Mercedes has added new paint options, and the night package gives you blacked-out trim for an even meaner look. The iconic side-mounted exhausts still here, and they sound better than ever. Step inside, and it's a mix of luxury and technology wrapped in a bulletproof design. The G63 gets the latest MBUX system with a massive digital cockpit and an updated infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Mercedes has upgraded the materials with even finer Nappa leather, carbon fiber accents, and customizable ambient lighting. And these AMG sports seats, they hug you perfectly while keeping you comfortable for long drives. It also comes with a Burmester 3D surround sound system, a digital rear view mirror, and updated driver assistance tech, making it easier than ever to drive this beast in the city or off-road. Under the hood, the 2025 AMG G63 packs a 4.0-litre twin-turbocharged V8, pushing out a monstrous 585 horsepower and 627 pounds-to-feet of torque. Power is sent to all four wheels through a 9-speed automatic transmission. This SUV rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds. The AMG Performance 4MATIC system ensures power is delivered seamlessly, whether you're carving corners or conquering rugged terrain. Despite its luxury and speed, the G63 remains a true off-roader. It has 3 locking differentials, an adjustable suspension, and over 9 inches of ground clearance. Whether it's sand, snow, or rocky trails, this SUV dominates it all. On the road, the G63 feels like a tank with a jet engine. The steering is precise, and the ride is much smoother than previous generations, thanks to the adaptive suspension. But step on the throttle, and you're reminded this is an AMG, and the V8 growl is addictive. Now, let's talk numbers. The G63 isn't exactly fuel efficient, averaging around 14 miles per gallon combined. But let's be honest, if you're buying a G63, fuel economy isn't your main concern. What is practical, though, is the spacious interior, with generous cargo space and comfortable seating for 5. Plus, the commanding driving position makes city driving surprisingly easy. The AMG G63 starts at around $180,000, but with options, it can easily cross $200,000. Competitors include the Lamborghini Urus, Range Rover SV, and BMW XMA, but none offer the same mix of heritage, luxury, and off-road ability. So, is the Mercedes-AMG G63 worth it? If you want an SUV with unbeatable presence, insane power, and real off-road credibility, then yes, this is still the king of luxury SUVs. Let me know in the comments, say, would you take the G63 over its rivals? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more epic car reviews. Until next time, drive safe and stay awesome.